Here I have Honor X1A, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and that's how screenshot is taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down at the same time, and that's how it's done. So one last time, volume down, power key, and that's how you do screenshot. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the album called screenshots, and here they are. And from here you can send, favorite, edit, delete, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.